So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Brawl Stars in your PC and laptop in 2026. First, what you have to do is open Google Chrome or any web browser you like, and then you have to search for LD Player and then hit enter. Here you'll find LD Player, just click on it, and then here you have to just click on Windows LD Player. Once you click on this, you'll notice that it has started downloading the installation file. Once you download this, just double click on it and it will start installing. After it's done installing, what you have to do is open LD Player. Once you're on LD Player, you just have to search Brawl Stars here, and then you'll notice Brawl Stars appear here. You just have to click on install and it will start installing, and then just click on your game and you'll be able to play in your PC and laptop. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.